Da, 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 da. Have you ever wondered where the life of the sky came from? Have you ever wondered where above the sky came from? Well, it's kind of hard to say, but I was the first one to touch the ground. Never knew that I could hear the sounds of animals chirping left and right. I didn't know if this was love at first sight. Oh, my love of nature. Oh, my love of nature. It's been a while since I touched the ground. I don't know when, but I've kept encumbering these species. Kept saying to the world, hey, you don't need these. But hey, I found a way to show stuff inside of a secret hidden cave. No way. I have been here for 10 seconds, and I love the sight of sound. I love my earthly nature, and I love the sounds of sight. I think this is love at first sight. I think this is love at first sight. I'm the first to the surface, and I love its nature. I don't know if anybody else could see this, 'cause it's beautiful. Oh, never said I was too slow. Did I just hear you say no? Whoa, I love nature and I love the forest, swinging from vine to vine. Like I am the monkey on the vines. I love nature the way one does, just in a special way. When I landed here first, I didn't know what was here, but I know I would find treasure, and I think this is love. I love my world of nature. It's my playground, alright. And I think it's love at first sight. I love my world of nature.